Do tenants have rights against an unfair rent increase? Imagine paying your rent each month, only to find out it's suddenly going up without warning or good reason. That can feel frustrating, right? Well, tenants do have protections against unfair rent hikes. These rights vary depending on where you live, but generally, there are rules to follow. Landlords usually can't raise rent arbitrarily or too often. They must give proper written notice before the increase takes effect. For smaller increases, the notice might need to be at least 30 days, while larger jumps often requiring 60 days or more. Rent increases must also be reasonable. They can't be just random numbers or meant to punish tenants. If a landlord tries to raise rent excessively or without proper cause, tenants can challenge that. Many places have rent control or rent stabilization laws. These laws limit how much rent can be increased each year. For example, some areas cap increases at 5% plus the cost of living, but not more than 10% annually. These rules help prevent landlords from making sudden, unaffordable hikes. Certain properties might be exempt from rent control laws, like new buildings or single-family homes owned by individuals. Still, even in those cases, landlords must follow the law and give proper notice. If a tenant believes a rent increase is unfair or illegal, they can dispute it. Keeping records of lease agreements, notices, and communication with the landlord is very helpful. Sometimes, tenants need to seek legal advice or assistance to stand up for their rights. Landlords also have responsibilities. They should explain why rent is increasing, such as higher maintenance costs or property improvements. Rent hikes should not be retaliatory, meaning they shouldn't be a punishment for tenants who complain or request repairs. Good communication and following local laws help keep the relationship positive. In the end, tenants do have rights to fight against unfair rent increases. These protections include lease terms, proper notice, legal limits on increases, and the ability to challenge unlawful hikes. Landlords need to respect these rules to keep their tenants happy and avoid disputes.